These are the mics today. I just washed them, but look at this. Sound check done. And look at our backstage. That's a lovely backstage area. Let me just go somewhere where you can actually hear me. We just did the sound check, and I don't know what's wrong with them. They had a beginner sound engineer, so it's not the best sound we had. This is today's stage. This is the audience, and as I was saying, we're not lucky to have good sound. So 5 minutes, we'll do a little meeting, and then we are on with the show.
Thank you guys. So it sounds like you really enjoyed the show. Was it cool? Nice. It also sounds like you had enough, right? No? You had enough, right? No? What does that mean? Do you want more? I'm not sure I can hear you. Do you want more? Try it like this. You like too? Wow, hit it! That is perfect. So everybody, now you know how it goes. So everybody, I like to move and move it. I like to move and move it. I like to move and move it. You like to?
Two shows injured.
Teamwork is dream work.
Teamwork is dream work.
Oh, I can walk with the hands.
Walk on the hands.
Thank you, my team.
That was a crazy audience, and they were really hyped. So that was good. We did an awesome show. Energy was all the way up. It felt great to be on a huge stage again. I mean, the sound could have been a little louder, so hopefully they fix that for the next show. But
It could be 10 times louder.
it was a bit sad because these guys would have enjoyed loud music. The next ones are going to be older, they don't really care as much. What's up, Luna? Today is Luna's birthday, so happy birthday, Luna.
Grazie.
Grazie, she says.
So this is dripping all over the fucking place.
So we went to buy a small ice cream, and this is one cooler, and look at him, he got 3 balls. He's never gonna finish that ice cream. Why is it so big, man? We just hung out backstage for a couple of hours, and now we are ready to do the second show, and they should have started letting in the audience, so let's just check it out. And they're telling us that it's fully booked tonight, so it's 750 people. It's gonna be a lot. And this is how it looks. So that's pretty awesome, and the guys are ready in the back. They did a lot of warm-ups, and I should have probably also just warm up for 5 minutes. They still have crazy corona rules here, but because it's outside and stuff, we're allowed to be 750 people, so that is awesome. Everybody hanging out in the backstage, getting ready.
All right. Thank you, everybody. You can keep doing this all night, huh? It sounds like you enjoyed the show. Did you really enjoy it that much? All right. And you're all standing up, so it also looks like you're all going home. You had enough, right? Hey? Do you want more? All right. Wow, the front is really good. You all know the song, right? If you don't know it, it's pretty easy. It goes like this. I say I like to move it 3 times. The 4th time I ask everybody the question, you like to? And then everybody's supposed to say move it, not just these guys here. Also you with the umbrella in the back, and you with the glasses. I see all of you, right? Also you. So let's try that. You like to? I like to move it. sweet, fantastic. Ricky Manuel, another big Titanic on the nice, sweet, fantastic. Ricky Manuel, another big Titanic. Everybody, I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to? I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to? Move it.
Thank you so much for coming and joining us.
Thank you,
This
Brian.
lovely summer evening with the audience of Park Theater. Fantastic. Tack så mycket.
Alright guys, so we did the show, we got a standing ovation for more than a minute, so everybody was happy, the crew was hyped, and we did an awesome show. And now we're gonna head home to the hotel and eat some food. We went to a Mexican restaurant, it's called La Olita, and we got these crazy things here. I don't even remember what it was called, let me tell you. It's a quesadillas with langtiskop, højreb. Let me just show you this one, right? This one called birra. Can you read what it says? Alright, blah 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 blah. So that is what we're eating, and it's a bit expensive, but they say that Stockholm is really expensive, so this is it. Look at this. This is the sink.
Yeah, G. Yo, 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 yo. Oh shit. Se fue. Aquí en la calle Estocolmo, mi hermano, solo en el 2021. Hey, esto tú no lo ves en televisión, tampoco lo ven en ninguno. Aquí estamos solo rapeando, tú sabes, todo el día. Sin apoyo ni de la gobernación ni de la alcaldía. We are here to see, you know, on the street. Stockholm brother, just getting in life to beat. Every time, every night, we go to sleep. We just practice, even when we just sleep. Oh shit, ¿qué vamos a hacer? Recárgate. Pero eso va a ser parte de eso.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Luna. Happy birthday to you. Tandio Guri Ate. Tandio Guri Ate. Tandio Guri Luna. Tandio Guri Ate.
Luna dice grazie. En el teléfono, a la cámara, Luna.